To let you guys know, this thing failed. He could lick himself easily. Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today I bring you Toby. He has a collar, one of these collars that we end up buying him a smaller one because he had an operation, and we're gonna open it up and see what you get. Now Toby, this thing is too big for him. He's bumping to everywhere. He hates it. It's making his life miserable. He has to be like that for 2 weeks. So we want to get him a smaller one. Inflatable, easy to set up. Comes in multiple sizes. Of course, we got a number 4 for 16 to 21 inches. And let's go ahead and set it up and see what you get. So they give you a training guide how to put this on, but this guy's already trained. He's used to his collar. He hates his collar, of course. He's been trying to take it off. Instructions, very simple. All you got to do is inflate it. But let's look at the actual item itself. And this is a nice little material. If you can see, well, you can't feel it, but look at the material. Let me get a close up in there. It's like fabric, and it's inflatable. We're gonna go ahead and inflate it from here and pump it up and see what else we can do with this. So let's go ahead and start. All right, here it is. We got to inflate it. I use an actual electronic pump because I don't want to do it in my mouth or anything. It just takes too long. And here's the clip. If you guys can see it, you go adjust it here. And this is a plastic clip, all right? You just push the button and you go adjust it from here. It has a nice attitude. It's really soft, and if you want to actually add more tighten to the neck, you can actually put in his dog collar through here. You guys can see it has that little extra one. So we're not gonna do that. We're no need for that. We're gonna actually replace it. So Toby, come here. Toby.
Toby.
This is Toby right here. We're gonna take the neck brace. Go ahead, take it off.
We'll do that one because he's gonna itch himself right away.
Okay, we're gonna take it off. Then we're gonna put this one on. Go ahead.
Hold that.
Uh-oh. Toby, he's getting wild dog. Now tie it up. Good boy. Sit. You might have to tie it up. Come on, do it before he takes it away. Toby! Sit.
There.
You have to tie it up, probably. He's not comfortable with it, but we're gonna tie it up. We're gonna have to. He doesn't like it. We can see. But come here. Sit, Toby. What do you think about it? Come here. Okay, wants to go outside with the thing. He got used to it, so we gave him a couple minutes with it. He was trying to take it off. He's kind of used to the plastic one, but visibility was poor, so we're gonna put this one on. And we'll see how well it works mobile. Comfortable with this? Does it make you feel comfortable? You look happier. Are you happy with this? Looks like he's ready to travel. Huh. Let me see. Are you comfortable with this? I want to see how comfortable it is. If it's too tight, no, it's fine. I think, and it comes with the zipper too, so you can always change the inflatable thing in there. You could take it off too if it's too hot for this guy. So he looks better. He looks a lot, he can see around. Seems more comfortable. Is it too tight for you? I had to tighten it up a little bit more because it was a little loose, but let me see how tight it is. Oh, nah, he's fine. He's comfortable. He's comfortable. I like it. Let's go. Go home. Come on, let's go home. Come on, let's go. He can run. He's good. So this thing failed. Look at this, guys. He could still lick himself. So he's reachable. I don't think it's good enough. So just to let you guys know, it's your opinion, but I'm gonna take it off and put his comb back. Wasted my money, to be honest with you, because he's still able to lick himself. That's something I didn't like about this thing. So